by the window, that is where I'll become tiptoe through the tulips with me.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I'm back in the workshop today. It's my first day back. So anyway, fishing. Fishing's one of the, well, it is the most popular participant sport in the UK, and I happen to be one of the participants. I do the sea fishing variety, and one of the main things you need is bait. So I've been in the scrap bin and found some bits of tube, stainless, some stainless handrail of a job I'd done last year actually. A stainless bar, it's threaded either end. I don't know where that came from, but it was there. And some nuts, some washers, and a little bit of rubber. And what I'm going to do is make a bait pump. In Australia they use them for pumping yabbies out of holes, and over here we're using them to pull lugworm out of the mud and sand. So wish me luck. I've never made one before. Hopefully it'll work. I'll save myself a few quid down the tackle shop then. So anyway, this is how I do it. Okay, so there it is. It's a bait pump, or a Yabbie pump, or whatever you want to call it. It's a pump for worms. It's all made out of bits of scrap. I suppose I'm in a lucky position. I have got scrap stainless steel pipe and stuff. The one bit I didn't show you was the rubber washers. That's all they are, it's just rubber washers. It seems to have suction on it. So, I'm going fishing. See you later, guys.